Hello, AD. Oh, sorry, Loyola Greyhounds. Come on into the president's office. Welcome. So over here, we have a fireplace. It actually doesn't work, but it's very nice. And this is one of my favorite things in my office, the bust of St. Ignatius. This was given to me at my inauguration as a gift. I have it here proudly. I sit here at the desk and often glance over at St. Ignatius and hope we're making him proud. Couple quick hits here. Picture of me and Father Ridley. He hired me. He's one of my mentors. Stopwatch from the president of the University of Newcastle for our great partnership with them. First place, low gross Loyola golf outing. And my dad and my three sons when they were little. So this little artifact is a lacrosse helmet from our national championship team. And two of the players, all the players on the team signed it. Two of the players that signed this helmet now work at Loyola. So pretty cool. It's a great moment. We got another one coming. Another blast from my past. This lamp I bought when I was a junior in high school at Office Depot in Wayne, New Jersey. And it has followed me. And if any of my college roommates are watching this, you'll remember we had this in our dorm room. I have a number of photos in my office. They're all very special to me, but this one in particular is one of my favorites. This is a photo of my wife, Courtney, Loyola class of 1993. And this is her doing an Ironman in Lake Placid. Courtney was a great triathlete, and we were super proud of her this day and still are. Courtney's the best. So this is my desk. I got this little nameplate in case people don't know who I am. This was given to me by my aunt when I graduated law school. And it's been at pretty much every desk I've ever had since I've started working, like 100 years ago. And of course, on my desk is the common text, which I know the entire first year class has devoured. I will look forward to finishing it up and keeping it right on top of my to-do list. So every day when I walk into this office, I'm reminded just how beautiful this office is, how beautiful this building is, how stunning our campus is. I have an incredible view. This office looks out onto the entire quadrangle. I am a nosy person by nature. And when I'm sitting at my desk and I hear some commotion, which is often, I'm usually right to the window checking out what's going on. I love seeing the students interacting. I love watching tours go by. All kinds of fun, exciting things happen on the quad. And I have a front row seat to all of it. Thank you all for coming by. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I got to get back to work. God bless and go Hounds.